Commanders, welcome back to the Citadel. Today, something I'm very excited about, the Ajax Video Doorbell, which is gonna blow every other one out of the water. Swear to God. Let's get cracking. All right, let's see here. Okay, it doesn't just slide out. Oh, look at that. There's a little fancy little tab, and now it slides out. Ooh. Look at that. Look at that. Does she not look beautiful? Just, oh my God, I'm so excited for this. All right, and what else we got here? We got a QR code, and this is all the stuff we need here. So let's get it all out. Got our brackets. That goes on the mechanical chime. And it has some tape in here, some screws, and some other leads to basically go on the doorbell and then crimped onto your 18.2 that's already in place. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy, baby. I had this installed and programmed in less than 5 minutes, probably less than 3 if you want to get technical. But I've said this a million times, I love Ajax products. I think this is absolutely mint. I have tried Alarm.com, I have tried Dawa, I've tried Hikvision, I've done Skybell and even Ring. Don't tell anybody, okay? But this blows them out of the water. Okay, the two-way communication is so clear. There's none of that reverberation. It's beautiful, okay? It's like gone, okay? I love this thing so much. I was so excited. I get so flabbergasted just how excited I am talking about this. But there's one downside I should say. Not downside, it's a little difference. And it's much like the Ajax indoor Wi-Fi camera. There is no SD card for this. Now you could say, well, they don't have the encryption to get it, but all your stuff's gone. So they don't offer that. You need 2 ways to do it. One is if you have an Ajax NVR, has to be on the same network, okay? Very important. And then you can save it all to the NVR. Or you get cloud storage from your reseller, your central monitoring station. And not only is it easy to set up cloud or NVR storage, but you combine the human pet vehicle smart AI of this doorbell and you use an Hub 2 Plus as a backup, you are laughing. Because most products like this, their primary source of communication is Wi-Fi. It goes down in another product, what happens? It's a brick on your wall. If you have a Hub 2 Plus and you connect it, as you might have seen in one of those photos, as a backup, it doesn't work as normal, if that makes sense. It works almost like the Ajax Photo on Demand, where it'll still notify you that someone has pressed the doorbell, and it will give you those little photos, those clips that sort of make a video. So I think this is great. I think you should have one on your house, your business even. Heck, throw it in your car, I don't care. But I think this is great. I highly recommend.